Wow, they started off strong. Tayo tumulpa. Gising na sila. Magulat sila yun. Nagising na sila. Ganda ng simula. Gulat sila eh.
Last one, 16.
Traveling. Ay, hindi. Saya nito. Go, Pao. Nice one. 1 point lang anak pag free throw. Ah!
number 17, First personal foul, third team foul. Rebound number 11, pass number 16. First personal foul, second team foul.
First foul eh, half court.
2 minutes.
Ay, game. Ito mo pa. Nice, Kamau. Kamau, pass. Pasa mo. Pasa pa, rebound. Stress na yan. What's that sound?
30 seconds.
Naku,
35.
libre na rin.
22.
Jace, tira, Jace. Traveling ka na.
First Last one, number 10. Foul number 11, inclusive foul. Ball is line number 3. And the shoot, Dylan Dress, number 8, pass number 10, Enriquez. Pass number 8. Taking back from double team. Oops.
Ano ginawa ni number 10? Hindi ko na. Double team. Kasi parang normal lang sa akin.
Number 10, number 10, Enriquez, basket count, number 22. First personal foul, first team foul, ball is number 10.
Ganda na gupit ni Wala.
Ball number 10.
Go Tyron! Ito pa!
Number 10. Good up.
Wala na, wala na.
Number 7. There's screen. Also number 7. Number 6. Number 6. Pass number 20. Number 6. Basket count, foul number 20. First personal foul, first team foul. Ball is the foul number 0. Number 26. Pass number 10. Enriquez. Pass to Villanueva. Number 10, and the shoot.
Inside.
Number 9. Bola ng hoops. Number 9, passing to 7. To 7. 2 points. Ganda lead at 2-1. Number 8, Fernando Rodriguez. Score is 23-21. Number 9, number 9. Đây là quả thu lâm. Session 7. Number 10. Two minutes. Number 9. Technical Bordeaux team, Roses.
Sino naglabatin?
Hindi,
Oo.
crowded sila dun.
Hindi maganda yung pick ni Kuya doon.
Foul, number 9, pushing foul. First personal foul, second team foul.
Kuya, tulong sa rebound!
Number 10,
Slide
ano
na.
foul?
Foul.
Foul number 9, second personal foul, third team foul.
Kuya, tulong sa rebound! Rebound!
It's number 8, number 7. Number 7, rebound. Another foul. Foul number 8. First personal foul, second team foul, two shot by number 7. for number 7. Score is 26-23. 1 minute. Number 10.
Let's go, Maya!
50 seconds. Number 9. Number 9. Number 7. Number 6. 30 seconds. Pasok number 10. Walang foul. Number 9. 14 foul. Number 9. Third personal foul. 14 foul. 28 seconds. Number 10. Jumper number 10. Number 0. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Pasok na lang ang huli.
Ano na to? Third na to? Nalusutan.
Number 0-0. Kasama ko yung second line. Please, in evaluation.
Si Tristan ba to? Hindi. Ay, hindi. Paano?
Number 3. Direct number 3.
Ay, tama.
Iba number 1.
Ay, panab.
Iba number 2.
Ay, meron.
Number 3 line. Iba number 6.
Yeah, meron.
Iba number 1. Number 6. Ready to shoot.
Yun, tama.
Number 3. Number 0-0.
Ano nangyari? Technical?
Tingnan po, break, team process,
Technical si Coach Artie.
balik po tingnan, base ng team process. Para mag-try line, on legal screen, first personal foul, number 39,
Illegal screen daw si 25. Hindi ko na kung ano yun.
number 3.
Oy!
Number 9-2, pass number 6. Number 6. Chris Bigo, nalang sa Roses. Sino? Sino? Post, number 3. Pass number 6. Number 5. Number 0. First personal foul. First team foul. Isa pa number 6. So, ang una po yung number 6. Last one.
Nice one. Go for rebound. Ay! Ayan.
Full score.
Kamao.
Zero.
Dalawa
Number
sila.
2, pass number 14. Number 3.
Ay, traveling. Ay, ano nga.
Technical for number 10, Team Hoops. Sila number 1, sila number 1.
Number 1.
Pass number 1. Number foul. Foul number 29. Foul number 29, second personal foul. Second team foul. Pass number 4. Is there foul number 4. Score is 32-28. Number 0.
Sa lamig ko lang. Ano ni mama?
Foul number 6. First personal foul.
Pasok sa chase ng first quarter.
First team foul.
Second and third.
Foul number 2. Absolute.
Call na naman. Ay, hindi. Wala lang. Kala ko call na naman.
92.
Ano na? Hindi kayo nag-usap.
Pass number 1. Tanaw.
Wala kung ano ba.
Number 1. Wala sa number 1. Tumulong. Tumulong.
Kaya mapulin niya ng ano?
Score is 34-28. Wala na natin ang team Moses. Steal number 1. Tanaw. Side step.
Encourage pa nila mag-
Foul number 0. Number 0, second personal foul. Third team foul.
Let's go, Pranab!
Personal number 1.
Let's go, Pranab!
Last one, number 1.
Ay, wala.
Hoops ball.
Go, Kamau! Ay, Kamau! Ito, si ano,
First
Mendoza.
personal foul, second team foul, inside para number 0. So after one for the week, last one.
Wow!
So number 4.
Go, rebound! Ganon! Ay, Pranab pala. Pasa kay Kamau. Kamau. Ay, pucha! Let's go, Pranab. Isa pa. Wait lang daw. Wait lang daw. Nasaktan si 24.
Number 6.
Isa pa.
Foul number 6.
Come out.
Number 3.
Yes!
Foul number 0-0.
Let's go, come out.
0-0.
Penalty.
Bonus score number 3.
Teka lang daw.
Foul
Teka
number
lang
6.
eh. Inantay niyo pang magtawag.
Injury timeout na, injury timeout.
Injured daw, injured. Teka lang.
Injury timeout.
Get your man daw.
Number 6. Foul number 6. Sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Team Roses.
Uy!
Sunod number 6.
Ikot.
Bigot.
Ay!
Bigot number 10.
Okay lang
Zero.
yan.
Zero. Bigot.
Diba? Rebound. Oy, oy!
Shut up. Stick number 3. Robin. Violation.
Sayang naman.
55 seconds. Last 55 seconds. Third quarter.
Kulang yung na-impact natin. Kulang yan. Nakabuli lang yan ang Hawks mamaya.
Still number 11. Zero. Alisot. Score is 41. 32. Number 3.
Hindi ka makakuha.
Jumper.
Rebound din nun.
Number 0. 30 seconds. Zero. Number 14. Number 10. Number 4. Number 1 lang.
Ang rush!
15 seconds.
Uy, kulang yan.
15 seconds. Time out. Team Hoops.
Dapat 20 kasi pag pinasok.
Alam mo na.
10 seconds.
Wala kasi si mama sa bahay.
10 minutes.
Jericho!
One foul.
Sorry. Ano ka?
Foul number 77. First personal foul. First team foul. Two shot on number 10.
Close it and then put it back.
Basket.
Ginawa mo, inabot mo.
Last shot number 10.
Ay!
Foul number 11.
Kalimutan ni Waniwan.
And we have upper defense. Number 8.
Paggaling sa Pinas.
Last number 10. 67. Number 67. Foul number 8. Number 8, second personal foul. First team foul. Isa pa number 67.
Prince! Chill ka lang! Laro tayo!
Final number 07. Last one.
Tanya. Laterals. Footwork.
Rodriguez. Galo pang saan. Dali-dali po.
Look out.
Sorry po.
Nice pass mo naman. Ay, hindi pumasok. Tuloy natin, tuloy. Tuloy. Ay, yun. Ganun lang. Number 10. Ako mapipili na tayo. Pang ilan na to?
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Ah, second pa lang pala.
Seven. And shoot.
Ayun na! Woo! Nice ba?
Score is 36-44. Okay. Baksa. Seven. One split. Pass number 8.
Yun! Rebound! Bakit si Marco nag-rebound?
And shoot.
Nice one, Tyrone. Let's go, Mark! Ay! Sabay, sabay! Yes! Uy, anak! Napagpas ka! Tapos na! Whoop! Ay! Tapos na.
Labas, labas!
Tira, ay ano, rebound. What do you want? Kyle, nice one. Ayun, ayun. Sino nag-ano? Sino nag-foul? Ah, pangalawa na. Third team foul. Gamitan na ng foul. Go, Kyle. Kyle, no? Yeah, dodolin niyo naman yung bago.
Last one number 9.
Ay, ba't di pumasok? Saan? Uy,
Same ball. Nine. And the shoot.
Continue mo.
Nakakuha ng foul.
Iwan-iwan na naman. Mag-graduate na naman tayo. Ay, hindi.
Third personal foul. 14 foul. Isa pa number 7.
Yes,
Last one number 7. Nakaparin. Iba number 8. Number 42. Number 42. Number screen.
let's go, Pao.
Iba number 7.
Let's go! Ay, bola daw, bola.
Foul number
20.
20.
Relax, relax!
Pasok para number 7. Last row. Number 7. Sabi
ko sa'yo, kakainin lang nila yan.
Buwan siya mo alam-alam na Juarez.
Go, Kim!
Number 10, Enriquez. Bumuli ng press.
Nice one, Enriquez. Maya. Number 10.
Number 7,
Yun, no?
Neto.
Last.
2 points.
Pan.
Enriquez ulit. Lagi na wala si Enriquez.
Tres ulit, Enriquez.
Asa number 18.
Oh,
Bumuli ng press.
ulit, ulit.
Bumuli ng ulit.
Sasama.
Bumuli ng foul.
Ano, practice shooting tayo. Hindi ko
Refusing foul.
ano, Prince.
Second personal foul. Number 4. Good shot. Parang number 8.
Nice one. Saka. Nice one. Nakakabahan pa rin ako. Parang susunod-sunurin lang tayo din ng dalawa. Oy, nice one.
Kuya, oras, oras!
Time remaining is 1 minute 20 seconds. Fourth quarter.
Oras, oras!
Number 07. Number 07.
Pasok.
Pass by number 4. Block by number 8.
Ay!
1 point.
Ay, 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 half court, half court, half court. Congratulations.
Sabrep.
Oras!
Good one, Mike.
Score is 24-43.
Isa na yung mga bata.
Bukas na, 1 minute!
Number 42. 42. Pass to Enriquez, number 10. Bumuli ng press.
Saka, saka.
Rebounding.
Zero.
Number 12. Pass to
Nice,
Zero.
nice!
Uy, umikot.
Rebound number 07.
Uy,
Rebound foul.
ganda.
Passing foul. Foul number 8. Third personal.
Ay, mali ba? Third na.
Bonus foul number 07.
Nice
So,
one.
foul number 7.
Reverse, reverse!
Score is 46-54. 1 minute. The fourth quarter. 10 to shoot.
Nice one.
Nakita si number 8. 2 points. Number 7.
Ah. Hindi niya nakita. Hindi niya nakita yung pass
Reverse
niya.
agad! Reverse!
Mayaan na.
40 seconds. Number 8.
Ah!
42.
Yan, yan, yan.
10 to shoot.
Kami lang weak side,
30
oh.
seconds.
Tira, Mark. Nice!
2 points for Manalo. Number 7.
Sa pasok. Ay,
Number
sa back.
8. 15 seconds. 10 seconds.
Set, set, set. Baba. 1-1. Baba. Sayang naman. tayo.
Our lucky ball, best player of the game.
Enriquez.
Number 10, Enriquez.